Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be looking at the Boss GT1. I made a short video concerning EQing the Boss GT1 for drive preset. So I couldn't demonstrate the audio output because of time constraints, but I'm going to give more information to help you make informed decisions. So first of all, consider subscribing, and if you want to purchase some of our tones or all of our tones, you can head over to this particular URL, and it is in the description under Get Presets, and you can purchase to support the channel. Let's get started. So you must install the Boss Tone Studio from the Boss official website. So I'll leave this particular link in the description. Then you look for the operating system that works for you. So mine is Mac OS. I'll click this and you scroll all the way down, agree to the terms, and then you click download. So once you download, you get a zip file, and it's named something similar to this. When you unzip the zip file, you would get 3 files in there. You will get the exe if you're on Windows, or DMG if you're on Mac, and then 2 manuals for the software. One is in English and the other one is in Japanese. Before anything, you have to double click this to install, and if you're on Mac, you have to simply drag and drop this over here. I've already done that, so I'm not doing that again. When you open the software, you would see something similar to this. So you have to click OK, and it would ask the MIDI in, MIDI out, and then you just choose GT1 over here as audio in and GT1 as audio out. That if that is what you want, but you can simply choose GT1 and just say OK. And if your GT1 didn't show, you can click the refresh button and it will refresh, and after connecting, you will get something similar to this interface. Now in the demonstration, I made a post concerning the graphic EQ on the Boss GT1, and I was saying in the video there are some frequencies that gives nasal touch to the presets that you are working on, especially for drive presets. So what I said was I usually have my FX1 after my preamp and noise gate. So my threshold for this particular preset is that high. Yes, I always have my graphic EQ after the preamp and the noise gate, and I set the value of the 1.6K to -20 decibels, and I also set the 800 Hz to somewhere like -13, but you can modify as you please. But let me demonstrate with and without the graphic EQ. Now this is with the graphic EQ. Now without the graphic EQ. Now with it again. So yeah, basically this is what I demonstrated. Now you can achieve something similar with a parametric EQ, but I find the graphic EQ to be more precise in removing that nasal touch to the presets. So what I normally do is I set the high mid frequency to 1.6K, and then for the high mid gain, I would set it to somewhere like negative, like 13 or something. Now let's see how it also sounds like. Let's see how it sounds like at 4K. So the high mid frequency back at 1.6K. So you can choose between the parametric EQ or the graphic EQ. And for this particular preset, this is what I prefer. Yeah, so try it out. And if you have more questions, drop them in the description. And I've had a number of people requesting I do something similar for Boss GT100, but I don't have access to that board yet. So if I happen to have access to something like that, I would try and work on a video for you guys as well. See you next time.